Machine safety tips. Machine can cause injuries in many ways. Injury can occur if the machine is not working properly, or when the machine is used by an inexperienced and untrained worker. Follow these safety tips to avoid serious machine injuries. Check the machine is well maintained and fit to be used, and also check machine working properly and that all the safety measures are in place. Guards, isolators, locking mechanisms, emergency off switches, etc. Never attempt to operate a machine that you haven't trained and authorized to operate. Use the machine properly and in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure you are wearing the appropriate protective clothing and equipment required for that machine, such as safety glasses, hearing protection, and safety shoes. Moving machine parts like gears, chains, belts and conveyor belts have pinch points, which can grab a finger or your flesh, causing injury. Machine guards should also be protected when working near machines. Don't use machine or appliance that has a danger sign or tag attached to it. Danger signs should only be removed by an authorized person who is satisfied that the machine is now safe. Don't distract people who are using machines. Don't remove any safeguards, even if their presence seems to make the job more difficult. Always know how to turn off and de-energize the machine you operate in case there is an emergency. Conveyor safety tips. Conveyor belts make work easier and help us work more efficiently, but conveyor belts can also cause serious injuries. Follow these safety tips to avoid conveyor belt serious injuries. Keep clothing, fingers, hair and other body parts away from conveyor, and beware of pinch points. Do not climb, sit, stand or walk on conveyor at any time. Operate equipment with all approved covers and guards in place, and don't remove or alter conveyor guards or safety divides. Allow only authorized and trained worker to operate or maintain conveyors and accessories. Ensure that all workers are clear of equipment before starting. Clean up spillage near moving parts only when the power is locked out and guards are in place. Lock out all power and block gravity loads before servicing, and do not perform servicing on conveyor until electrical, hydraulic and gravity energy sources have been locked out. Report all unsafe conditions to authorized and trained worker only. Electrical safety tips. Electrical safety is most important in workplace because electrical current can cause shocks, fires, explosions, burns, falls which can be fatal or cause serious injuries. Follow these safety tips to avoid serious electrical injuries. All electrical work should be performed by a licensed electrician. Do not make any electricity connection if you are not qualified. Check the damage to the electrical cables before using the equipment. Turn off the switch before plug in or plug off. Unplug electrical equipment by holding the plug top. Do not touch electrical appliances with wet hands. Do not install too many plug on one socket. If the electrical cable is broken, do not approach. Report to the authorized person.